Here we are in Tenafly, New Jersey with another install by Almost Perfect Landscaping. If you see the Japanese maple, how it looks beautiful against all the other materials. It is a very slow growing Japanese upright maple. As we walk through the backyard, you'll see the many different shade plants such as deutzia, azalea, and hydrangea. In the back, we also have a mountain laurel. As we scan through the property, as you see the native rhododendron, and there is our path. As you walk towards the path, you can see the two azaleas that are planted underneath the native rhododendron. Another shade-loving plant is euonymus. Next to the euonymus is a boxwood. This backyard had some unique challenges because we were on a slope and the water comes down the hill from the top. As we walk towards the pathway, we're going to see a specimen, which is an umbrella pine. Does well in the part shade, part sun. As we look towards the back and make the bend in the path, we have an ilex steeds. These are all shade-loving plants. Boxwood, hydrangea, another azalea, and plum yews. Plum yews are very great because the deer don't eat them. And there's a bench. As you walk towards up the path, you're going to see an oaky, another plum yew, some sedge grasses, and another ilex steeds. To break up the wall along the fence, the customer had 2 lattice. Very thin area, but we're going to be able to plant some annuals there in the spring. Again, the path leading to the gate that takes you to the other side of the yard. Thanks for watching another video of Almost Perfect Landscaping, to which this customer from Tenafly, New Jersey was happy, and so were we. We plan to do more work for this client in the springtime, possibly working on the front yard. Again, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.